Hey guys, this is CoreyF95 and I have a simple tutorial here for you guys on wire lights. So the first thing you need is just go on wire, scroll down to wire display light, and I like to leave it just on radiant and weld. Glow, directional, radiant, I'll just change how it glows or what it's going to shine on or anything like that. And I like to use a little circle light. The next thing we need is an arithmetic multiply chip. You'll find gate arithmetic under wire control and just paste that down. The next thing we need is a constant value. You'll find that in wire 1/0 and go down constant value, and then we're going to put one value as 255. And then you're going to paste that down. Now we need something to control it to turn on the light. The most simple way is just a button. Paste that down. What you're going to want to make sure to do is make sure it's on toggle and value on 1, value off 0. And then just paste it down. And that's all the chips you need. If you wanted it on a vehicle, you use advanced pod controller, and then I'll show you in another video on how to wire it up like that. Now the next thing we need to go to is either a wire or wire advanced tool. I like to use wire advanced because when you go up to something with multiple things you can wire, you can just scroll through instead of right clicking through each one. You can go any way and scroll through. It's a lot faster. So the first thing we're going to wire is here to what color you want. For now, ignore this RGB vector. All we want is red, green, blue. That's how we choose our color that we want the light to be. So if we want white, we're going to wire red, green, and blue all to the multiply chip. The next thing we do is multiply A to the button. Then we multiply B, the constant value of 255. This is when the button is pressed, it's going to multiply that value to the light in order to make it turn on, like the brightness. So now when we press the button, it's going to glow like that, very bright. That has something to do with, if you go back in light, the radiant and all that. So if we turn it off and then we uncheck radiant, then you turn it back on, you're going to notice it's bright, but it's not a big, huge circle around the light. And that would be the very simple light tutorial. If you have any questions, you can just post in comments. And if you have any ideas for other videos or tutorials that you want to request, just write that down and I'll try and get it to you as soon as possible. And yeah, have fun with those lights.